doing a new video on a few altcoins that were requested. One is Mr. Miggles, a meme coin, and the second one being MOG MOG. I'm going to actually go over those, so if you guys are interested, please feel free to stick around, leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So here we go. Right now we're starting it off with Mr. Miggles. On a daily, you can see we are basically selling off, and we are in a lower high situation. There was a little bit of a break of structure here where the downtrend stopped, and we had a little bit of an uptrend, but still doing lower high situation. Here is the fibs that I've already put up for you guys. The long opportunity off of this level over here, we were looking for 0.365 as our take profit, and then we're looking for the TP206 0.06 cents, but I don't think we're mature enough for this level yet. What I want you to see is that the lower highs is actually setting up a sell over here, and that's why you're getting these wicks to the top of this candle over here, because this is where the shorts actually entered from the low, and they took profits on this low over here, the TP1. They actually shorted over here. So they've already came to, well, actually, yes, they did come to TP1, and basically they are retesting this in a double top fashion. If you do not break above this level over here, what will happen is you're going to sweep down the liquidity into the 0.2 and then possibly into this lower, less than a penny level before you can see some true upside in a descending consolidation channel situation with an equal low kind of situation, because this is around 1 cent is where the longs would have entered. So something like this is not what you would assume you would look for upside. So just be aware this is not the um, popular consensus. I'm sure everyone's just looking for this thing to go to the moon, but I think it's going to come fill out the 0.023 level a little bit more, and as long as this level holds, we can look for upside. But the fact that this is a meme coin and the markets are iffy right now, if markets have weakness shown, like ETH or Bitcoin show weakness, I would expect this to go into the TP2 area, find support, and then bust out. So just be prepared for both levels. I mean, if you're already in this, awesome. Just manage your risk at 0.02, and if we lose that level, just be waiting for that accumulation at 0.01 to 0.006, and you could ride this, double your bag up, and then try to get to that 0.06 later. If you do lose the support over here at 0.02, when you go to 0.06, your first TP1 will be that 0.02, and then your TP2 will be that 0.03 before you go to. So make sure you lock in some profits, and you're not just riding this thing to Kingdom Come. Let me take that snapshot and give it to my buddy. There is Miggles. All right, and back to. What the heck? There you go. Back to this. And now what we are going to go take a peek at is Mr. MOG. MOG. And here is another altcoin. This one a little bit different. It did sell off like the other one, but it actually took out the high. Mr. Miggles is still on the bottom, grinding it out, looking for support, and then looking for taking out the top. So you got time on that. Here are the drawings on Mr. MOG, and once again, the bottom was accumulated. You had this nice little double bottom over here. Okay, actually triple. But these lows were defended, so as long as you can hold these levels, it's looking for resistance. Here's your a bearish order block. So that's your bearish order block over here, and that's where you find your resistance. So basically at this point, for this like inverse head and shoulder situation, here's your right shoulder right here, right? So filling out this level here for upside continuation is logical and probable. I'm not saying it is going to do that whole thing, but it is likely to fill into 0.0000137, and that is being the first take profit of anyone who took this short over here at 0.1770. So anyone who took that short from taking their profit over here, they're going to ride it probably back down into this level. And then this level here is where I would look for that long opportunity for upside continuation for the take profit back here at TP2 and then TP3 to retest the previous resistance of this level over here. So that's where you want to basically look for your next short on a swing failure pattern of the top. I do think this is going to actually swoop down, get some more fuel, and then rise on up with the rounding bottom kind of situation and kind of like that. So that's what we hope to see coming into next few weeks. I think October it can like put in the top here and then kind of trickle down in November, and then November find a bottom and then bust out into the end of the year. Something like that is probable. I think you just got to be patient for something like that to play out. Let me leave you a quick picture. MOG. Okay, and looks like our buddy agrees with us on that as well. He's looking for lower. So we are done with these. Now I'm gonna do one altcoin. Guys, sorry for the dog barking in the background. My neighbor got a puppy, and that puppy is very active, as you can hear. I'm just glad my dog isn't trying to communicate. All right, here is one coin I want to go over, Solana. You can see Solana basically coming off the bottom, coming to the top, and what we're doing here is basically like this. Bull flag consolidation for a breakout. This is a massive bull flag, even if it does break down the support over here at 130. Here, let me turn the drawings. Even if we do lose this support here at 130 in a triangle fashion, I still think we're going to be finding major support here at $106. So be aware of that. And then anyone who took that short from those higher levels are like 200-ish or whatever, they've already hit TP2. So this is where you would probably look for your long scalp. So I think people are in that long scalp. I did not draw a fib as to where I would look for take profit yet if I took this long from this area. But obviously common sense says that 161 is definitely a take profit and 191 definitely is a take profit, because those are the resistances on the way down. So of course you want to take profit on the way up in those same levels. And when we get back to 190, we will see if we're going to take out the top or not. And it will probably be in accordance with Bitcoin and ETH. So just keep that in mind. Just take this quick picture and I'll snapshot it for everyone. Give it to this guy, Soul. Alright, and then the last thing I want to go over is the main thing for all markets, Mr. Dixie. And let me go to a weekly. And you can see Dixie is doing exactly what we were looking for last week, which was putting in the bottom around 100. You have this massive impulse up. More than likely this week we could probably test back to 101.50 at worst and hold that as confirming support this week. Next week we will look at 101.50 and up and probably get into like 104 is what I'm looking for. That way we're confirming downtrend on Bitcoin, ETH, and uptrend on Dixie until we figure out, you know, another major rate cut or whatever to basically put a pause on the dollar's rally. And that's basically what I want to wait and see. We're going to, you know, let Mr. Powell see if we get another rate cut before the year's over. And if so, that's only going to help markets with monetary easing and allowing them to basically be on risk on mentality. So Aside from that, guys, I'm currently an A long on ETH. I don't want to go over all of that stuff right now, but I am in a long on ETH, and I'm looking for upside continuation as long as U.S. markets don't just give up their juice. So if you have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comment section below, guys. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. Aside from that, guys, have a good day, trade safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.